Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to be sharing with you all how to make peas and mushroom curry. Let's begin. So first I am going to be sauteing my vegetables. For that, in a pan I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil. And once it's hot, I'm gonna be adding 6 cloves of garlic, ginger 1 inch, and 2 green chilies, and 4 onions. All of these vegetables are roughly chopped. And you need to cook the onions until they are nice and translucent. I'm adding 4 tomatoes roughly chopped, and again mix it well. So you need to cook these until these are mushy. So for that I'm going to be covering and cooking the tomatoes. I'm adding salt to taste. See, the tomatoes are done. Now switch off the flame and let the mixture cool down. Once it's cooled down, grind it into a fine paste. And then in the same pan, add oil, 1.5 tablespoons, once it's hot, add the ground mixture. And you need to cook the mixture until the oil is released. Now for the spices, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, and mix it well. See, the curry has changed its color. And now it's done. I'm adding 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and half a cup of green peas. I'm using fresh green peas here. I'm going to be adding 1/4 cup of water. Now I'm adding mushrooms, 3/4 cups. Mix it well. Half a cup of water. Now it's time to serve it. And it's done. Thank you for watching. Do give this recipe a try and enjoy.